In the early days of the pandemic we struggled with the question of whether or not to cover our faces. Some officials insisted we should, but others said the opposite. By early April public health experts more or less reached a consensus, wearing masks helps limit the spread of coronavirus. But they also agreed that you should not get too confident wearing a homemade mask. Basic face coverings do little to stop the virus from coming in, they are mostly useful for helping to keep infected people from breathing the virus out. N95 masks do a better job of intercepting incoming viruses. But once they do, the masks themselves can become infected. That is why, back in normal times, they were supposed to be used just once. Also, with the sudden major need for large numbers of masks, we have experienced an extremely high percentage of disposable masks coming from China. Our laboratory took 10 different large exporters of masks from China and tested them. 1 was clean, 9 had bacteria and 2 had mold in them. We know that normal times are long gone. In the COVID-19 era we need better facial defenses more than ever. A person cannot depend on a normal mask stopping the virus from penetrating and making themselves at risk. VidaFirst has the next generation of face protection. Use of our mask spray sanitizes the nano-copper-coated mask, while blocking and killing incoming viruses.